how to verify identity on the Triumph app. So here's how it works. If you tried withdrawing money or cashing out here from the settings section and clicking on cash out, it may have asked you for an ID verification. So basically what this is going to do, it's going to be a KYC process, know your customer, which basically is going to ask you to take a picture of yourself and a picture of your ID. Now, like I said, once you start cashing out and you have chosen your payment method, then it's going to ask you for a picture of your ID and a picture of yourself. And then it is going to take, where was it? If I click on the frequently asked questions here, ID verification typically takes 24 hours. So you will need to wait for 24 hours before the Triumph app checks your ID and yourself and confirms whether you are indeed that person. And that is basically how the identity verification process works. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.